This is how I prepare my family's breakfast. And because we do not eat breakfast at the same time, so I have to prepare one container for each person. That is if they prefer to eat this type of breakfast, because they can have just cold cereals or hot cereals or whatever they want to eat. I bake my turkey bacons. My family prefers the turkey bacon, and I'm waiting for them to be ready so that I can put 1 or 2 pieces in the container. I cook enough eggs good for 7 to 10 days, and my family likes sunny side up. I don't have to wake up early in the morning just to cook breakfast, so each person can just pull one container, and each container has 1 egg, waffle, and 1 piece of bacon. I used to put 2 pieces of bacon, but my husband said it's better just to put 1 because he's also eating cured meat. So each person will just get 1 container each morning. By the way, I bake the bacons at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and these are ready. I used to make buttermilk waffles, but because they're so delicious, my family prefers to eat 2 or more waffles per breakfast. And I cannot just spend 3 hours per week just making the waffles. So I resort to buying the waffles. The remaining bacons are wrapped in the same foil. I have wrapped the other bacons already, and I don't have any problem separating them from each other because they do not stick to one another.